India's military operation wasn't just about retribution, it was a warning. You bleed us, we'll dismantle your entire infrastructure. That was the message sent across 9 high-value targets tied to Lashkar, Jaish and Hizbul. The strikes were calculated, precise and ruthless, but what they set in motion was far beyond India's airspace. Pakistan's fragile military-political balance now sees fissures. There is now fracture in this very fragile combination in Pakistan. Amid ISI infighting, growing street unrest and whispers of betrayal, the real question isn't India's intent. It is, would Pakistan survive the storm its generals have brewed?